So today I want to share a really simple example of how you can use some data-driven insights on user behavior to identify and uncover opportunities to improve user experience and increase conversions and ultimately sales. So here we have a graph, two graphs actually. One of them is all sessions. They're both the same website. So one of them is all sessions of the website. So you can see all visitors, number of visitors who visited the product page, add to cart, checkout, transactions, and so on. And then what we did as we were going through the data and segmenting and comparing different user segments and channels and behaviors, we identified that customers that visited the Compare Us page were actually 5 to 6 times more likely to transact and make a purchase. So you can see here, the product page views, it's not that much significantly higher, but when you compare people who visited Compare Us to the checkout, to the add to cart and transactions, you can see that there is a dramatic impact on their conversions on these pages after they visited the Compare Us page. So how do you use this insight? Well, there's a lot of ways you can use this information and leverage it throughout your business. You could perhaps look at the information that's on the Compare Us page and identify, well, what is it that's on this page? What is being communicated there that we could maybe take and apply at different stages in our customer buying journey? So maybe we can take some of that information and present it earlier. Maybe a top funnel, and we run some ads with some of that information. Maybe we take some of that information and we present it on other pages, maybe on one of the landing pages or the product page. Also, what is it about that information? What is the intention behind what's being presented there that's helping users make that decision to purchase? We can also just very basically find ways to drive more people to the Compare Us page. So what's really important with this information is that you look at it and identify, what are you trying to learn? It's all good and fun to say, well, it's people who go to the Compare Us page convert 5 times more than people who don't. But what's more important and more powerful is trying to understand what it is about the Compare Us page, and really digging into that, digging into the customer psychology, digging into the stage that the customer is in when they're looking at the Compare Us page, and running experiments, data-driven experiments that help you identify new opportunities and uncover new opportunities to improve your customer experience, and at the end of the day, again, generate more sales. So again, this is a really, really simple example of a segmentation that showed something about users and their behavior. But if you have any questions about this, or you want some help with analyzing, segmenting your own data, don't hesitate to reach out, ask any questions. Always here, always happy to help. So until next time, have a beautiful day, and I'll talk to you soon.